We made it to Bali. Breakfast was amazing. Love that. The first room on the right is the first bedroom. If you go inside, this is what the room looks like. This one is a window, so it doesn't go up all the way. The controller to the TV up there. There's an aircon over here. Also a fan. And right through here is the bathroom. It's shampoo. I don't know what this is. I don't know what that is. Cotton buds and a shower cap. And this is the sink, and right underneath it you have an extra roll toilet paper. Living room. And you have a kitchen dining table here with 4 seats. On top is the air conditioning, and here is the kitchen area. In the fridge, freezer is nothing. Oh, the fridge has stuff inside it. So, soft drinks, alcoholic drinks, beer, chocolate, juices, water, and everything here is priced right here. Water opener, utensils, chopping forks. Second drawer, you have chopping board, knife, spoon. You got a pot and a pan. Over here is the microwave. You got the stove top here. There's a toaster, a kettle, and up here is a lot of storage space. There's some bowls, plates, cups and mugs. And shall we go outside to view outside? Are you going outside? Open door, please. Pretty much the same as the first one. Instead, this one has a safe in it, right there. So that's a safe. I do not know what this is for. It's locked. Pretty much the same. Besides, it has a hairdryer here. past the window. I think that's a walkway. What? It's a walkway. It's not your own balcony. I saw someone walk past it. First to go eat now. Swimming pool. Maybe the pool is closed now. Yeah. So, what do you smell? I feel like I should have sprayed my feet as well. My feet's itchy. They have soccer here.
Chelsea and Crystal Palace.
Where's the main strip? Everything seems closed all of a sudden. First comes to us, we can eat at Coco Express. Oh no! Pork suckling. Suckling pig. Wait for me! Dangerous!
Fucking first guy's like, oh, lucky man, 2 girlfriends, huh? I'm like, no, it's not me.
And there's something about mushrooms.
The guy was like, hey, mushrooms?
And then these guys are like mushrooms too, right?
Yeah. They said, lucky man, you want some mushrooms after? Fuck off. Go for it.
Across the road. Which one should we go to? Go to the one near our place? I guess all these shops are closed, right? They used to be stores, but they're closed at the moment. Remember, suckling pig. What's that? Oh, scary. Cannot see. Are you scared? Huh? Like, what if like a rat runs across the street? I saw one before. Seriously? Yeah, I saw like a rat run across the street. We're going this one? To Coco's. Let's buy some water. Cool air. Oh, cool air.
Good, how are you?
Water.
And the brother said, who thinks we've been feeding the whole time?
So that's how you eat it?
He's saying you feed him.
And then a cracker? And then you put it into your mouth together.
Oh yeah, but you're telling me he's spinning it.
Have to
Double
taste.
check, man.
One more